Hi guys! This week we are going to talk about birds. But first, as always, let's learn our new hello song. We are going to sing and dance to it. So, stand up.
Follow me, it's as easy as can be. Follow me, 1, 2, 3, clap your hands, spin around, bend your knees, touch the ground. Follow me, it's as easy as can be. Follow me, 1, 2, 3, wiggle your fingers, tippy-toe, stretch up high, wave hello. Follow me, it's as easy as can be. Follow me, 1, 2, 3, flap your arms
Like a bird!
stomp your feet, tap your back, take a seat.
Could you follow me and dance to the song? And in the end, could you take your seat? Great job! Now, can you see I have a tree behind me? I can see a bird on its branch. So, let's get closer to the tree and sing its song. There was a hole in the middle of the ground, the prettiest hole that you ever will see. And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And in this hole, there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever will see. The tree in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on this tree, there was a branch, the prettiest branch that you ever will see. The branch on the tree in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And on this branch, there was a nest, the prettiest nest that you ever will see. The nest on the branch on the tree in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And in this nest, there was an egg, the prettiest egg that you ever will see. The egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And in this egg, there was a bird, the prettiest bird that you ever will see. The bird in the egg in the nest on the branch on the tree in the hole in the ground, and the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. So, as you know, the trees grow from a hole in the ground. And they have the trunk, the branches, and it's on the tree the birds make their houses. Look, this is a macaw, a Brazilian macaw, and it lives on the tree, and it made a nest on the branch of the tree. And do you know what we have inside the nest? An egg. And inside the egg, there is a little bird. Look! What is that flying in the air? I think it's a bird. Let's sing a song and find out. Can you hear?
Hey, look!
Look, they're flying in the air. It looks like a bird. Look, high, soaring through the sky. It might be a bird.
Hell no, because
Birds have beaks. Birds can sing. They got lots and lots of feathers on their wings. Look, they're flying in the air. It must be a bird. Move your arms like a bird. Make your wings. Move your arms like a bird. Let's fly. Now sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move your arms like a bird. Sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move and sing like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move and sing like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Birds have beaks. Birds can sing. They've got lots and lots of feathers on their wings. They're flying in the air. It must be a bird. So look guys, can you see? We have birds flying in the air. Now, let me show you this yellow bird closer. This is the great kiskadee. And how do we know this is a bird? Because it has beak, it has wings full of feathers, and it can fly. Not all birds can fly, but all of them have wings full of feathers. And they are so beautiful flying and singing in the air, right? Can you sing like a bird? Tweet, tweet. Great job. Now you know what is a bird. Let's play a game with the nests and the eggs. Could you get them? Great. So let's play the nests and eggs game. To play the game, you must have 3 nests and 9 eggs. Let's count together. So count the nests with me. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are many eggs, right? Could you see the colors? Let's check the colors of the nests. So, this nest is yellow. Very good. And this nest, what color? It's red. Well done. In this nest, can you tell me the color? It's a blue nest. Awesome. And can you see? The eggs has the same colors. So we have to take the eggs and put in the nests sorting by color. Let's start the game. I'm going to get my first egg. What color is this egg? It's blue. So I will put in the blue nest. Very good. I will get my next egg. What color is this egg? Red. So my red egg goes in the red nest. Let's see the next one. What color is this egg? Yellow. So this yellow egg goes in the yellow nest. This next one, what color is it? Yellow. So my yellow egg goes in the yellow nest. This egg, what color is it? It's red. So this other red egg goes in the red nest. The next egg is blue. So goes in the blue nest. And this one, what color is this egg? Red. So let's put the red egg in the red nest. Can you tell me the color of this egg? Yellow. So this yellow egg goes in the yellow nest. And our last egg, what color is this egg? Blue. So this last blue egg goes in the blue nest. Now all the nests are full of eggs. Let's count how many eggs we have in each nest. Let's start by the yellow nest. Let's count the yellow eggs. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 yellow eggs in the yellow nest. And in the red nest. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 red eggs in the red nest. And finally, how many eggs we have in the blue nest? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 eggs in the blue nest. Could you put all your eggs in the nests sorting by color? Great job! Now all the eggs are in the right nests. And if you really enjoyed the game, you can play as much as you want, because now this class is over. But I hope to see you later in our Zoom class so we can learn a little bit more about birds. So, see you later, alligator, bye bye bye, butterfly, see you later, alligator, bye bye bye, butterfly, see ya!